11:02. I'm still walking back and forth. We about to see if I can make it to 20,000 steps before 12 a.m. Good morning. Today is day 3. So far, I've only got 1,000 steps in, and it is going on like 10 a.m. Listen, it is like, oh, actually, I'm lying. It's going on 12. I don't know where my time is going. It is noon, so I'm about to eat the food that I made last night, and then I'm about to take my butt straight to the gym. It is very cloudy and rainy today, but we gotta push through and still get shit done because I got a goal to hit. So it is what it is. But I will tell you, since I have stopped drinking coffee, I am a bit like just sleepy and tired today. So I'm trying to get it together, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to eat this food and then take my butt to the gym. All right, y'all. I'm not doing good today at all. I'm at 9,677 steps. I still have 10,000 more to go. So I have like, if I can get it done within like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I'm about to eat some chips and salsa because I ate another bowl of the Indian food stuff that I made. Sorry, I can't talk right now. But yeah, I made another bowl of like the Indian stuff that I made. And then I'm about to eat one cookie, which is 170 calories, which is insane. So I definitely got to get these 10,000 steps in. Pray for me. Cookies are ready. Brody, stop trying to eat everything that's all over the floor. Oh, I need water. I have almonds soaking overnight. I'm about to try to make some almond chocolate milk tomorrow for breakfast. Let me walking. I'll pour you up. I'm ready for these cookies to get soft. So now I gotta eat the other cookie and get my 20,000 steps.
I never said I wanted.
But I ate half the chips, so that's 70 calories plus 170.
I said
that's 240.
I said put the cookie
that's 240, and if I eat another one,
I said put the cookie up for tomorrow for another night snack.
Who wants another cookie? That's gonna be nasty.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. These you have to eat the night that you make them.
No, you don't. You just wrap it in some saran wrap or something so the moisture stays in. That's how they've been doing at the punch.
Oh, to keep them soft?
Yeah.
Alright, well wrap it up to my end. Get it out of my face, please.
Or you can eat it. That's your personal choice.
That's what I go through every time.
No, well, next time you ain't gonna get no cookie tonight. How about that?
That's what you telling me. Next time I can't get it. Next time I can't get it. Also, how many calories do you burn walking 20,000 steps? I need to check that out. Oh man, you can skip that. Too much going on in this house. 10,000, baby. This thing better come on. Stop playing with me. Like, I'm about to say. Yeah. Oh, great. Maya is eating sweet potato fries.
Well, I'm eating what's left over in the refrigerator, so I don't gotta waste.
It's not like it's bad.
Sound like you're trying to put me on blast or something.
You know, I'm putting on blast for eating sweet potato fries and tomato soup with yogurt.
That sounds disgusting.
All right, so it's 11:02. I'm still walking back and forth. Literally just trying to hurry up and get these last steps. So we about to see if I can make it to 20,000 steps before 12 a.m. So yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all. I had to come on my shirt because I'm hot, but finally made it to 20,000. It is 11:22. I'll show y'all my Fitbit in a second. I do not advise doing this because when I say this was not fun, like this was not fun at all. Like it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm ready to go to sleep and my feet hurt really bad. So I will not be doing this again. I will definitely make sure I'm getting like my 20,000 steps in way before like 5 p.m. because I cannot do this again. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all and cheers. We getting these steps in.